Good morning.
Morning.
It's Animal Kingdom Day on the summer Disney road trip. I guess because we drove here, so I have no idea what we're getting ourselves into today. I can tell you that I'm most excited about going to Pandora and having the pineapple lumpia and their little ice drink with the little bubbles in it.
We should go see the Up show today.
Oh, that would be fun. We've never done the Up show. All right, so we're going to find all kinds of stuff
You know
we've
what
never
happens
done
at the
today.
Up show?
No.
You hear, caw, caw.
You know, when we were there in the spring, stop with the bird sounds. When you did the, why are you on bird sounds this trip? But speaking of birds, is the Up show, that's different than the birds that we saw last time.
Or
is that part of it?
Yeah, it's being reimagineered.
Oh, I don't know, but we were just in a gift shop last time we were here for spring break, and all of a sudden these beautiful birds, parrots, and all kinds of, I don't know, were there macaws? I don't know, there are all kinds of different tropical birds just flying over your head, and it was beautiful, so hopefully we'll catch that today. We have fast passes for Mount Everest,
Yep.
Navi River Journey, and
the safari.
Oh, the safari, of course. We will get a fast pass for Flight of Passage. We always do. And we will get one today. And we will not leave without riding it because it's amazing. All right, anything else, Drew?
Caw!
Let's go. Caw, caw. Caw! Just found a really cool box. No idea what the point is.
This is like for people with
I don't know.
sensory
Could be a
issues.
makeout spot.
Ooh.
But our kids are watching. No. For real though, I'm not really sure why this is here, but it's neat. You think this is storage?
This is the VIP seat for Rivers of Light. This is like
Fish. I almost said fishnet instead
where
of chicken wire.
This is where they put the celebrities.
This is where the celebrities stand to watch the work show at Disney World.
With an
Just stand over here.
With an obstructed view.
Stand over here. No one will bother you. This is pretty woodwork though. Ka, did you hear that? Ka! Oh, there it is. It's right above me. Please. Guys, I think today's bird day. Happy bird day, Meredith. What is this guy doing? Whoa! Whoa!
It's Kevin.
Oh! Kevin!
Oh, wait, Kevin is over to the right in that tree. Right. Oh, keep going. Right there. I don't see it. Oh, I hear the other one.
Caca!
Maybe one day you can fly up to join them. That'd be super fun.
That would be very interesting.
Bye, Kevin!
Oh, I think the other one's in the other tree.
Headed to Mount Everest. Whew. Oh my gosh. We just rode Mount Everest. I've ridden that ride so many times, but this time we asked for the back row.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Tim Tracker, for that advice. I feel like I was on a completely different ride. I feel like a hot mess. Don't feel like I can walk straight. Think I'm gonna need a break. You go on Mount Everest.
She can't even talk.
You ask for the back row every time.
Look at him and say, I want to get in the back.
You say, I want the back row, or I
wanna
send it
get
back.
In the
You
back.
give me the back row, or I send it back.
Get in the back.
The Safari at Animal Kingdom is another ride where we always ask for the back row. The back row on the safari is the best way to get unobstructed views of the animals and the scenery. You don't have the bars from the Jeeps in your way. You don't have people's heads in your way. You can get pictures with just your kids and the animals next to them. It's just the best view. You can stare at things long after you've passed them. Like this rope bridge, we wouldn't have seen if we weren't on the back row. These people crossing over the top of the crocodiles are on the Wild African Trek Tour. It's a 3-hour guided tour that's in addition to your daily ticket. It's $250 a person, and if you're a pass holder, you get a 15% discount. While you're on the 3-hour tour, they'll take pictures of you with the animals. That comes included in your package, and I think there are some snacks along the way that they will treat you to. But see, right here on the back row, we have all these perfect views of the giraffes and my kid and my husband. And every once in a while on this tour, we'll get an animal that comes onto the road right behind the Jeep, and you can take some really cool selfies with just you and the animals and no other people in the photos. It's my favorite spot. At any of the parks, they will never give you a hassle for asking for the back row or the front row. They may ask you to step to the side, but you will never be standing to the side longer than 10 seconds before they'll put you right in the spot that you've asked for, and they really do not mind you asking to ride in whichever seat.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm not sticking around here any longer than necessary. Okay. We made it.
The United Kingdom is never this hot in the UK.
Do we know that for sure?
We're in the wild. I'm spotting some animals I've never seen before. Look at this one right here. It's called hot human. There's another one over there. The temperatures are really hot. That one right there has Jumbo on it. He says, Jumbo, gotta be real quiet out here in the wild. You don't want to disturb the animals.
I'm pretty sure that's not what Jumbo means.
What?
Oh, Jumbo meant hello.
He does. You gotta say hello back. You say Jumbo. You say hello. I say hello. You say Jumbo.
Why are you whispering?
Because we're in the wild.
Not busted it. All right, so we are at Disney Springs. We left Animal Kingdom because we did everything we wanted to do and it got unbearably hot. So we went to the hotel room, I changed, and then we came to Disney Springs. And we took the bus from the hotel. It was nice to just sit and relax for a minute. But we are gonna go eat at Sprinkles because I got a free cupcake for my birthday from there. So We're gonna have some fun, and then we might swim at Pop Century later. Pew pew? Pew pew! Pew pew! This is the dark chocolate and banana flavored. And I cannot wait to eat it. Hey, fall up off my cupcake. Alright. I feel like I'm being extra. Oh my god. That is really good. It tastes like banana nut bread with a really creamy dark chocolate icing. It's really good. You want a bite?
Yeah.
We are at Chicken Guy, Guy Fieri's place in Disney Springs. Say the two you had again. 2 sauces. Habanero sauce.
Super hot. Nashville hot. Which is not as hot because it's got honey in it.
So how many different sauces do they have here to choose from? Do you know?
Like 26, 28.
So I have the wasabi honey lime and the blue cheese. And this wasabi is so good. It tastes like almost like somebody made a lemonade with wasabi flavor. So if you like wasabi, yeah, you can try it. You like it? So this one is the special sauce,
Which is
which
mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, pickle juice.
pickle juice. So she says it tastes kind of like In-N-Out sauce. And then what is this one?
Nashville hot.
Nashville hot. That's the same thing you got. Okay, what are those two? Can I see them?
Buffalo and habanero soup.
Ah, it's spicy, spicy. Do you like them? Yes. Well, I say this is a win, and we all 4 got chicken tenders with 2 sauces and fries for $31. What do you think, Drew?
Amazing.
Amazing. Come back?
Yes, definitely.
I'd come back every time. Very good. We are finishing up our day at Pop Century Resort, laying in the pool at the 60s and 70s. I love this. Arlene's over there, and I love the big Jungle Book statue. I think that's one of my favorite things about this section. It's huge.
Look at that.
It's the same height as the hotel. Anyways, we came here just to relax for a little bit before bedtime. The huge play down. But I don't know if you can notice, seeing all the kids have on life jackets. So I like that this pool has life jackets for kids on each side of it, so that if you're traveling and your kids are young, I know when my kids were 2 and 3, I didn't put them in a pool without a life jacket, and they have all of that available. So we've had a really long day, but it's been fun and amazing. On the way back to our hotel tonight, we met a woman who asked us if this was our first time to Disney, and we told her we were pass holders. And she was like, ugh, what in the world do you like about Disney? And she's here on vacation. That was really her response. She was like, ugh, what do you like about Disney? We were like, what do you not like about Disney? Star Wars, Marvel. What's your favorite thing about Disney, Drew?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. We do love Mickey Mouse. We like the OG and the new G. I don't know. But she said, yeah, and we told her, go dork yourself.